As wealthy countries across the world begin their vaccine booster campaign, there is glaring vaccine inequity that needs to be addressed, with countries across the world still waiting for access to sufficient COVID-19 vaccine doses. Vaccine inequity was a major talking point at the recently held United Nations General Assembly. There were many statements that were made, many promises, along with serious concerns that were raised. Until now, 6.3 billion jabs have been administered across the world. Around 2.3 billion are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. As per Our World in data, over 45% of the world has received at least one shot against COVID-19. That sounds like a promising figure, but there is another number that we need to look at. Only around 2% of the people in low-income countries have received their first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. You see the stark divide.
Hoarding and inequitable distribution with the resultant uneven vaccination patterns across the globe is not acceptable. Vaccine nationalism is self-defeating and contrary to the mantra that no one is safe until everyone is safe.
This was the call for vaccine equity by Zimbabwe at the UNGA, raising concern over the hoarding of vaccines by the West and the unfair vaccination pattern. Along the sidelines of the same conference, U.S. President Joe Biden made a claim of sending more than 1 billion vaccines to low and middle income countries by the end of next year.
We also know that to beat the pandemic here, we need to beat it everywhere. And I'm keeping the promise that America will become the arsenal of vaccines, as we were the arsenal for democracy during World War II.
Quoting figures released by the State Department, the United States has shipped over 170 million jabs to more than 100 countries. This comes to near 15% of their total promised figure. The next largest pledges come from the European Union, France, and the United Kingdom, Germany, and China. What you see on your screen are the numbers promised and those delivered. Although falling behind on its target, the U.S. is the biggest vaccine donor. The White House says that it will deliver 200 million more doses by the end of this year and aims to send the rest of 800 million by September 2022. Experts around the world, however, say that with the virus still on the prowl, the world cannot wait that long. Matthew Kavanagh, the director of the Global Health Policy and Politics Initiative at the Georgetown University, says that if the United States wants to meet the WHO's goal of vaccinating 70% of the world's population by 2022, then America should ramp up its shipments right now. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.